Tired of bending over? The Garden Weasel Nut Gatherer is here to save your back. Say goodbye to back pain and hello to effortless cleanup with the Garden Weasel Nut Gatherer. This tool is a game changer for homeowners, gardeners, and groundskeepers. Let's dive into how this handy gadget can simplify your yard work. The Garden Weasel Nut Gatherer is designed to easily collect nuts, fruits, and other debris from your yard. Its rolling cage design eliminates the need for constant bending, saving you time and energy. It's a must-have for anyone dealing with fallen walnuts, sweet gumballs, or even tennis balls. This tool features a durable construction and a user-friendly design. The large cage can pick up objects ranging from 1.5 to 3 inches in size. Plus, the unique release mechanism allows for easy emptying without any bending required. The Garden Weasel Nut Gatherer boasts several features that make it stand out. Its 1.5-gallon collection cage is perfect for gathering large quantities of debris. The tool is made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. One of the biggest benefits is its ability to save your back. Simply roll the cage over the objects, and it gathers them up effortlessly. The Garden Weasel also comes with a lifetime guarantee against defects, giving you peace of mind. Customers rave about the Garden Weasel Nut Gatherer's effectiveness. Many users highlight how it saves them time and reduces back strain. One reviewer mentioned it made picking up air potato pods incredibly easy and surprisingly gratifying. Another customer with 17 walnut trees praised it as the easiest way to pick them up ever. While some find the emptying process a bit awkward, the overall consensus is that this tool is a game changer for yard cleanup. Using the Garden Weasel Nut Gatherer is simple. Clear the area of large debris, then roll the cage over the nuts or objects you want to collect. A smooth, steady motion ensures efficient pickup. Empty the cage frequently for best performance. When the cage is full, the tool won't pick up new items effectively. For more details, check out the product on Amazon, LN description. Don't let fallen nuts and debris ruin your back. Invest in the Garden Weasel Nut Gatherer today and experience effortless cleanup. Click here to purchase yours from Amazon and say goodbye to back pain.